Hey, we're in lovely Vancouver, taking a short walk from the hotel to the Sky Tram to get on our cruise ship. Long flying day yesterday. Ready to get on this boat. All right, you made it to the Sky Tram.
We finally made it onto the tram. Purchasing the tram ticket was confusing because we needed to purchase 2 zones instead of 1. Priscilla, who we met at the hotel, was gracious enough to help us as she was taking a cruise to Japan. So in all, we were able to figure it out and make it to the waterfront stop.
Funny enough, when we came off the Sky Tram, we went in completely the wrong direction. We zigged when we should have zagged. We made a left when we should have made a right outside to go around the building to the cruise terminal. So after this fairly long walk, we realized we need to turn around. Now that we have clear directions, we take a short walk along the downtown area to the port. Here's where the motor coaches drop off passengers from the airport or from designated cruise pickups.
We made it onto the ship. After a long, unorganized check-in and security screening, the cruise terminal was a madhouse because of other cruise lines leaving at the same time with just as many passengers. After we boarded the ship, we decided to take some beautiful pictures, enjoy the sun, and get a good view of the city and some of the surrounding areas of Vancouver. Hi everyone, we're here in Vancouver, Canada. We are leaving on a cruise to Alaska, and we arrived last night. We've had a long trip, and so check this out. Check this beautiful scenery.
So we're just waiting for the ship to embark and waiting for our stateroom to be ready. So right now we're just kind of goofing off and taking some pictures and enjoying the time. We had a little food. So one thing you can always do on a cruise ship is eat. So we've done that already. It's only 1 o'clock, so still got a little while to wait, but should be a good time.
Okay, y'all, we are out here chilling. Of course, he over there freezing and whatnot.
Freezing, the sun was in my face.
He got this.
The sun was in my face, y'all.
He's cold and whatnot, but it's nice out here. I'm enjoying it. It feels amazing. You can wear a jacket or you can just look like him. It's cold, but it's awesome. Of course, Steve needed to check out the gym. I think he approves. The cruise has begun and we're leaving Vancouver. The scenery is beautiful. Here is a little bit of the city of Vancouver as we head to Alaska.
So, as our cruise departed on the 8th, the 9th was a sea day, when we had our first formal dinner. Doesn't LaShawn look stunning? And I don't think I look too bad myself. We had a pretty great dinner that night, and we had the opportunity to take some pretty fancy pictures.
Good morning to you. Today is Friday. We have arrived in Ketchikan, Alaska, and it's 5:30. So it's beautiful. Woo! I love this brisk weather. Ah, it's so quiet. It's amazing. It's an overcast right now. You can see the clouds, but I just want to give you a view. Steve is still asleep. He wanted me to wake him up, but he was sleeping too good.
Well, as you can see, we are in Ketchikan, Alaska. It was a little warmer when we got off the ship, but sun went away and it's kind of chilly out here.
Just a little bit.
So we're not gonna do a whole lot of talking right now. We'll wait till we get back on the boat to discuss what we've been doing.
See you later.
It's cold out here. I had to get some coffee. So we're about to leave Ketchikan, headed for Juneau. Be in Juneau tomorrow morning. And we're gonna get out and about. We have an excursion planned for Juneau, so see how that is. The weather turned out really nice.
See me?
In case y'all wondering, it's not warm out here.
It's nice.
Okay, everybody. Ordinarily, we wouldn't endorse going to Walmart on a trip. But, just gotta say, at the cruise terminal here in Ketchikan, Walmart has free shuttles. They just go back and forth to Walmart all day while the ships are here. And it's absolutely clutch. So we decided we want to get some snacks.